When X-rays hit the inner electron layer of the sample, electron will collide with other electron from top layer, decreasing its energy to contribute to the noise at lower kinetic energy than the peak. And in last, sum of all the noise is taken from the beginning of the analysis and they will add and this will produce a noise, and we will understand that sample and its information through this noise, because this noise produces a sound which have a specific energy value. So in this way XPS spectrum forms a informative graph about binding energy and kinetic energy. So in XPS spectrum, the XPS peaks are sharp. In XPS graph, it is possible to see agar electron peaks, and the agar peaks are usually wider peaks in XPS spectrum. And in last, aluminum foil is used as an example on the next slide. There is an important term which is identification of XPS peak. Now we will understand how we can find the XPS peak. So graph has characteristic peak for each element found in the surface of the sample, and after the spectrum is plotted you can look for the designated value of the peak energy from the graph and find the element present in the surface. X-rays versus beam of electron. This means that we take analysis of X-rays and electron beam. This shows that in the form of X-rays hit all the sample areas simultaneously, permitting data acquisition that will give an idea of average composition of whole surface. And in the form of electron beam, it can be focused on particular areas of a sample surface. In last, we see that where XP is used, where it can be applied. So applications of XPS is given here. Number one is polymer surface. We use to find polymer surface, catalyst, corrosion, adhesion, semiconductor, dielectric materials, electronic packaging, magnetic media, and thin film coating. For all these processes, we use XPS, X-ray photon spectroscopy. So today our lecture is end. If you have any question, you can leave your comment below. In today's lecture, for any questions, you can leave your comment below, and also tell me about this lecture, how this lecture was useful for you, and if you have any suggestion, you can leave your comment below. And further, if you want to explain any topic, you may ask it about this topic in comment section. And also subscribe this channel and share this video.